Wait a minute. Did you find it? Alright guys. See this waterfall? I'm about to jump off of it. Okay, so here we are. Show Diane. We're out here with Diane, recreation outside Las Vegas, and she's teaching us how to geocache. Did I pronounce that right?
Yes.
Okay, geocache. And I think she says I found my first one. Yay! I'm so excited. Let's see if I actually really did. Wow, go through and fall. But we think it's here, and it is. It's cute. Unfortunately, I didn't bring a pin. There's supposed to be like some little log in here. Oh yeah, look, see? Yay! Come out! Okay. It won't come out. But anyway, there's a log in there. Here we go. But it's a log. You're supposed to sign it. I didn't bring a pen because I kind of wasn't really prepared for all this, but that's okay. Yay! But that's what you do. You got to search around. We got the Diane has the app Recreation Outside Las Vegas. She has the app, and we're gonna try to find these little treasures. All right, you guys. I think we're gonna go on to the next one. So we'll see you here. And we're out here at First Creek near Red Rock, just having a good old time. It's such a beautiful day today. See you in a little bit. Okay. Chad is leading the way. Go, Chad, go. Ah! All right, well, this is normally where the waterfall would be, right over here. Whoa, whoa, wait, okay. I think we'll just, so we're on top of it, basically?
Yeah.
Okay.
In it, if there was one.
Yeah.
Yep. So anyway, this is another day out here with Diane from Recreation Outside Las Vegas that, Kira and I were not in Chad. We're not able to find it last time. I don't know. We took the wrong turn somewhere. But that's okay. We still had a good time. We will show you around in that video on what we're explored around and everything like that. And we're also going to be doing some other fun stuff
Is the geocache
out here. So anyway, this is beautiful. Wow. Nice. Okay, we think we're getting close. He's like, what? 2 feet. 2 feet away! Yeah!
Whoa.
Wait a minute. Did you find it? Whoa!
That's a big one.
Wow, that sucker's a big one, man. Woo. Look at that. Good job, Chad. Woo! Woo! All right. Nice. Good job. What's in it? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What's in it? What's in it? What's in it? What's in it?
I don't know.
Right there is fine. Sealing this?
Yeah.
Wiener too. Woo. Maybe one day we can get together and hide what we can do.
Whoa. Whoa.
That's interesting.
That's interesting. What is all this in here? People left different things. How cute.
That's a light thing.
Little flashlight, a dinosaur.
Yeah.
Just a bunch of different stuff.
It's
It's gonna get you. A couple of them.
A monster. Pulled tab.
Oh my goodness, a
A
marble,
marble picture.
a bullet,
A printed picture as
printed picture. That's kind of a nice picture.
well. Skittles.
Some Skittles. Wow, this is really cool to see this. Nice.
Little tiny.
Oh, that's a logbook.
Upper decker.
All right. Nice.
And there's a pen.
Chad signing it.
Yep.
Lefty.